I just made over $4,000 on this brand new PayPal account so far. Right here is about $1,100 available. It takes a couple of days for your payments to become available on a brand new PayPal account. All I did was come over to this website and sign up completely for free. And then I came over to this website, copied my link over here, and this interesting software that I just signed up on spread it and retweeted my tweet everywhere on Twitter to blow up in sales and get tons and thousands of dollars this month in affiliate commissions. You really don't want to miss this one. Let's get straight into it. This is going to be a fantastic strategy if you are a brand new affiliate marketer wanting to make some money online. This strategy automatically makes your Twitter posts go viral for you. With that, I use this basic script that I'm going to show you that made my tweets convert from traffic, people retweeting my tweet, into actually clicking on my links and getting tons of affiliate sales and getting tons of commissions. The specific platform that I've been using is jvzoo.com for an affiliate product that I'm going to show you right now, which has been paying me directly to my account. This channel is all about making money online, affiliate marketing, online entrepreneurship, going viral on the internet, and building an online presence. So if you want to get tons of daily courses, free value, free giveaways, like I'm going to have in this video, is a $10 PayPal giveaway. All you need to do is leave a like on this video, comment down below your favorite motivational quote or inspirational little quote or text, subscribe with the bell on. I can see who is subscribed with the bell on, and in tomorrow's video, I'll announce the winner of the giveaway. And also my course is going to be just for this video today on special for $107. Click on the first link in the description and enter the coupon there next to that text, and you'll be able to claim the course for $107 instead of $397, which is a total of 95% off, only lasting today and for you lucky viewers who had decided to watch this video. So make sure to go claim that discount while it lasts today. Alright, so we're now inside of my PC. This is the website that we're going to be using to get our Twitter posts to go viral to get tons of affiliate commissions. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal this website just in a bit. Step number 1, you're going to add your website. In this case, is going to be your Twitter website. Step number 2 is you're going to attract visitors, and you're going to get visitors that prefer to visit the website that you've chosen, which will get you a lot more points. Your website will get tons of traffic and clicks, views, likes, retweets, subscribes, comments, you name it. You can actually choose what you want, whether you're using YouTube or in our case Twitter. Your website will get tons of traffic for as long as you've got points in your account. I'm going to show you a trick how you can literally get unlimited traffic with tons of points to your Twitter post that is going to get you hundreds and hundreds of dollars of affiliate commissions every single day. Step number 2, click on the sign up for free button over here. It's a big gray button. All you need to do is enter your name, your email address, create a password. This is just a random password I entered, confirm your password, click on I'm not a robot, click on create account over here. I've already done that, so I'm going to click on the top right and log in with my account. Once you've been logged in, you'll see on the menu bar, you can get tons of traffic on your own websites, Twitter retweets, Facebook over here, where you can get page likes and post likes over here. You can use Instagram, so you can get tons of likes and comments on Instagram, Instagram follows. You can click on YouTube, get subscribers to your channel and people subscribing to your channel. You can like videos over here and get people to like your videos, and you can get Pinterest followers. You can also get SoundCloud views, listens, and followers, and also community posts over here as well. The one we're going to be using is, I want you to come over to Twitter over here. You'll see over here I've got 25 points right now. All you need to do is you need to click on the follow button of anyone on this follow page. Take a look at this. All you need to do is just click on mobile phone, click on back here to get to the Twitter section. Just click on this person over here, click on follow, wait for this to load. It will take a couple of seconds to load up their profile. Click on the follow button over here, and you can see, thank you, I've earned 50 points. My points went all the way up to 80. Now what I can go and do is, I can go over to Twitter, I can click on my tweets over here, and all you want to do is you want to click on add tweet over here, and then you want to leave this page open. The next step is you want to come over to Twitter and you want to do the following. Click on what's happening over here. But before we go and put this Twitter post together, there's one more thing that we need to do. Come over to clickbank.com. If you can't use ClickBank, just come over to JVZoo over here and use jvzoo.com. But if you are approved on ClickBank, you can also go to Google and search for an approved ClickBank account that you can actually buy. Once you've got your ClickBank account, click on login. Once you've logged into ClickBank, your marketplace will look like this, where you can become an affiliate for products all over the world, such as arts and entertainment, education, fiction, games, health and fitness, garden, home language, mobile, parenting and families, anything anything you can think of. The exact product we're going to use is come over to the search bar and type in Video Marketing Blaster over here. Click on the enter button on your keyboard. Over here you will see a product that says Video Marketing Blaster. Rank your videos on the #1 page of Google and YouTube. Every time you get a sale through your affiliate link, you're going to get $23.08 profit. Just click on the landing page over here. Right click on open in link in new tab. It's going to open up the landing page in a tab that looks like this. Now remember, this website is complete for you. The checkout system, the payment system. You don't need to have hosting. You don't need to pay for a website. You don't need to own your own website. And this is a tool that people can buy to rank their YouTube videos on YouTube and Google through 3 simple clicks. By just putting a keyword in this tool, it will generate a done for you title tag and the description. You just need to copy that into your video and it will rank on #1 in Google on YouTube for that specific keyword. Really handy tool, a very cheap tool that works, so it's affordable for most people. All you need to do is click on promote over here, click on generate hop links. You want to copy your affiliate link over here, click on this copy button, close this, come over to a website called bit.ly. We're just going to shorten our link to make it look a little bit neater and not as ugly and spammy. Paste the long link over here, click on create over here. And over here you can see is your short URL that you can use to now get people through traffic through this link. Once you've got your affiliate link, come back to the landing page over here. All you need to do is copy the following text. 3 clicks are all you need to rank on Google and YouTube and get a tidal wave of free traffic instantly without knowing SEO and without building backlinks or writing any content. Right click, copy this, come back to Twitter here. Paste this here just like this. You can just click on back over here. Just want to sort out your paragraphing. You can just make this one neat paragraph. There we go. Click on the enter button. You want to click on the GIF image over here and you just want to type in your money, for example. Over here, click on money and you, for example, we can choose this one over here with Bugs Bunny dishing out money. Now, all you want to do is you want to come back to Bitly, copy your affiliate link over here, paste this over here on your Twitter post. That is now a clickable link that people can click on through your affiliate link. But on top of this, this is even going to be more of a bonus for you guys to make even more money. You can use a tool like Kartra.com to import a done for you page like this. So I created a simple bridge page like this, where I collect people's emails and names over here and send them email campaigns with affiliate links to the Video Marketing Blaster product. Now, what I'm doing is I'm building an email list. Let's say I've built an email list of about 5,000 people doing this. Every time I send out a promotional email to them, I get about an extra $100 to $200 commissions just from all the emails that have been read, all the clicks that have been made, and all the sales that have been made through those emails. So this is a bridge page that you want to go and click. If you want to get all these templates done for you, you can click on my Kartra affiliate link down below to claim all these done for you funnels and landing pages on Kartra in the description down below. So what you can also do is you can use this page link instead, and when people click on, and when people enter their name and email and click on submit, it will take them through to this page over here where they can purchase this Video Marketing Blaster product. But now, if they haven't bought this product, the best part is you've collected their email, you can retarget them with emails and get them to buy the product later on, and you still get your commission. That's what's so powerful about email marketing. So let's just go and paste our landing page link over here, and then you want to click on tweet over here. Click on tweet over here, and there we go. You can see your tweet post has been made. Click on your tweet over here. You'll see there is a unique link to your Twitter post. Right click, copy this link. Come over to tryfup.net here. Paste the URL to this tweet over here. Put your points per retweet to 50. Maximum retweet limit. Click on no limit. Select a category. You just want to select, I would say, business. So click on business. Click on submit details over here. Now, what's going to happen is, for as long as you have points in your account, people are going to retweet your post on Twitter. Now, what's great about this, you are literally using TriFup to get people all over the place to retweet this tweet. So this Twitter post is going to go viral. You're going to collect emails. You're going to get tons of sales. Imagine you get 100 people to retweet that. Those people, let's say, have 50 followers each, and 2 of them retweeted. Now it's 300 retweets, and then it becomes one whole viral ripple effect where thousands of people are retweeting your post. All you need to do is make sure that you have points on TriFup by following other people on Facebook, Twitter, websites, Instagram followers, liking people's posts to boost all your points. Or what you can do is, if you want to shortcut the process, you can buy, for example, 6,000 points at $19 for that. So you can go, for example, 6,000 points, divide by 50, divide by 50 is 120 retweets possible. So you can get 120 retweets for $19. If you buy the 12,000 points for $29, you can get 240 retweets. And just imagine how many emails you can collect from that. Send out promotional emails through the landing page that you've created, and how many sales you'll get through your affiliate links that will get you tons of commissions. So just to recap, the pros of the strategy is that you are collecting thousands of people's emails through TraffUp that is automatically making your landing page that collects those emails go viral through everybody retweeting your tweet on traffup.net. So make sure to come over to traffup.net, sign up, collect as much as points as possible, build a little tweet just like I showed you over here. Get that going, retweet it, going viral on Twitter. Tons of clicks on your link, which will take them to this landing page like this, collecting hundreds to thousands of emails and eventually getting tons of sales, building an email list, and hundreds of dollars every single day. Just to quickly show you how to get this course over here all the way down to $107, that's 95% off. You'll see if you come over to the first link in the description, it will say dropserviceexpert.com. Scroll down over here to where it says claim now, all for $397. The current price is $397, which is already a huge discount on the original price. Click on this big blue button over here. It's going to take you to the checkout that looks like this. You'll see over here. Give this a couple of seconds to load. Just enter the following coupon, WED1890. Click on the tick button over here. It's going to take this course all the way down from $199.97 to $107. This coupon is only available for those that watch this video. This coupon is not valid for anybody else, and there's only about 10 spots available for the course at this price. So make sure to go down below to the first link in the description, use this coupon code, and I'll see you on the other side.